High-frequency trading is revolutionizing financial markets. Imagine executing thousands of trades in milliseconds. This speed and precision are reshaping how markets operate, making them more efficient yet challenging for traditional traders. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. To thrive in high-frequency trading, systems must be lightning fast and incredibly precise. Every millisecond counts, and the technology behind these trades is as fascinating as it is complex. Algorithms are the backbone of high-frequency trading. They analyze market data and execute trades at speeds no human can match. Understanding these algorithms is key to mastering the trading game. There are various types of trading algorithms, each designed for specific market conditions. From arbitrage to trend following, these algorithms adapt to ever-changing market dynamics. Real-time market data is the lifeblood of high-frequency trading. Traders rely on this data to make split-second decisions, turning information into profit with incredible speed. Processing and analyzing vast amounts of data is crucial. Advanced systems filter and interpret this data, providing insights that drive successful trading strategies. Execution engines are the workhorses of high-frequency trading. They ensure trades are executed swiftly and accurately, minimizing delays and maximizing efficiency. The technology behind these engines is cutting edge. From hardware to software, every component is optimized for speed, ensuring trades are executed in the blink of an eye. Success in high-frequency trading requires seamless integration of algorithms, data, and execution engines. Each component must work in harmony to achieve optimal performance. Integration ensures that trades are executed efficiently, reducing errors and increasing profitability. It's the synergy of these systems that sets successful traders apart. High-frequency trading isn't without its challenges. Market volatility, regulatory changes, and technological hurdles can impact performance and profitability. To overcome these challenges, traders employ strategies like risk management and continuous system upgrades. Staying ahead of the curve is essential in this fast-paced environment. Emerging trends and technologies are shaping the future of high-frequency trading. From AI to quantum computing, these innovations promise to transform the trading landscape. As these changes unfold, traders must adapt to stay competitive. Understanding and leveraging new technologies will be crucial for future success in the market. We've explored the key elements of high-frequency trading systems. From algorithms to execution engines, each component plays a vital role in trading success. By applying these insights, you can enhance your trading strategies, embrace the technology, stay informed, and you'll be well on your way to mastering high-frequency trading. Remember, the world of high-frequency trading is ever-evolving. Continuous learning and adaptation are your allies in this dynamic field. By staying curious and proactive, you'll not only keep pace with changes, but also seize new opportunities as they arise. Now it's time to take action. Dive deeper into the world of high-frequency trading, explore new technologies, and refine your strategies. Join us on this journey to trading mastery. Your path to success in high-frequency trading begins now. Let's make it happen together.